Right there is our neighbor's house.
Do you like to play basketball? That's a really big rock.
Do you want to sit on the rock?
Sure.
Let's sit on the rock.
Is that your shed over there?
Yeah, you want to go see what's inside of it?
Okay.
Do you want to try to walk on it?
Sure. Hopefully I don't fall.
Like the tree.
Yeah.
And then right over there, there's a pool.
Ooh, is that like a playground area?
Yeah, maybe we could go for a swim in the pool later, but it's not ours, so we have to ask.
Your neighbor's pool?
Yeah, it belongs to our neighbors. Practice makes perfect.
You got this. Oh, you almost
so
made it in the
close.
basket. Try to hit the back of the rim. Okay, I have a game we could play. It's called a thumb war. 1, 2, 3, 4. I declare a thumb war. Oh. So you want to play a game?
Yeah, let's play rock, paper, scissors. Have you ever played that?
Not really. Can you teach me?
Okay. Now I beat you.
Okay.
And I'll walk further up. Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot.
Ah, so now I go one up.
Okay.
Is the point of the game just to get to that final step?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then whoever wins gets money. Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot.
Yes! I get
And you get the $2.
Yeah. Oh, it's $3.
$3? I thought there was 2 of them.
Hey, since I know you haven't studied your vocab yet, why don't you quiz me and let's see if I know the words.
Okay. Okay. Divert.
To get something to go a different direction?
Yeah. Change the direction.